there is this AI tool that helps you find people online. So let's suppose if you're looking for YouTubers who are based in London, who are talking about AI and are based in London. So how many times you needed to find the right person online? Maybe a startup founder, maybe a YouTube creator, or maybe a developer to hire, and maybe brands for sponsorships. And then what happens? You open LinkedIn, you open Google, you open Twitter, you open 15 different tabs, and 1 hour later, you still don't have the right person. So to solve this problem, I'm testing this AI tool, which is called Lessie AI. This is basically an AI people search engine where you can find investors, you can find talents, you can find YouTubers, you can find content creators, basically any category of people that you're looking for. The way it works is very similar to the way you use ChatGPT or any other AI tool. You just describe what sort of people you're looking for. Something like find suitable European customers for Harvey AI, prioritizing the UK and France. Or maybe you're looking for product managers who have previously worked at Microsoft, Meta, Google, and are now at AI companies. So you can just like define what sort of people you're looking for. Then you can simply just click on find. And then what it will do based on your prompt, the way you have just described what sort of people you're looking for, based on that, it will just analyze everything and then it will find the right people for you. Then it will present you like the complete lists regarding those people. And here you can see I just gave it this prompt and now it wants to confirm what will you do with these product managers. So do you want to hire them or do you want to like reach out for sales or maybe like research and networking? So I think let's just look for research and networking. And then it is looking for only Microsoft, Meta, Google or similar tier 2, or you're open to like other similar tiered included. So I think I'll just go with second option. Then what kind of AI companies? Top AI companies, I think. And now it is asking for how many people you're looking for. So I think I'm looking for 10 people. So I can simply just submit my answer. And now based on our detailed requirements, now it is going to look for like precisely those people for us. And there you go. You can see in less than a minute, we got all of these people in here. We got a very detailed list of all of these people. And you can see we got the emails of these people. We got their socials. And also we can directly compose an email from here as well, of course. And also it has mentioned which of these profiles matched perfectly with our requirements. So all of these profiles matched perfectly with our requirements rather than just this last one. So as you have seen, Lessie AI is a people discovery agent. Instead of manually searching databases, filters, LinkedIn pages, or Google results, you type in plain English what sort of like people you're looking for. Maybe find YouTube creators talking about AI tools, or find startup founders building AI agents in London, or find SaaS companies that may sponsor AI creators. Lessie then searches across multiple sources online. It uses AI reasoning and returns relevant people. So this is not just search. It is an AI powered people intelligence. For most people, finding the right people is one of the biggest bottlenecks in business. If you're a founder, you need investors. And if you're a creator, you need brands. And if you're an agency, you need clients. And if you're hiring, you need talent. And if you're launching products, you need partnerships. And usually this takes hours. But Lessie AI compresses that process into literally minutes. Now let's just do another search which is more relevant to my channel. So let's suppose I run a channel around AI tools, AI coding, startups, and no-code softwares. So let's say I want to find brands for sponsorships. So what I will type, I'll just write in here, find AI startups launching products that sponsor YouTube creators in SaaS, coding, or productivity. This is simply my prompt. I do not like need to select any sort of like filters or any sort of like predefined categories. All I have to do is just explain what sort of people I'm looking for. And then I'll simply just click on find. And now what it will do, this AI agent will just conduct its research and then it will find the right brands for sponsorships. So now it has just few questions. The first question is, what will you do with these contacts? I will say like pitch my sponsorship ad services or maybe get sponsored by them. So I think I'll just get sponsored by them. Who at these startups do you want to reach? So I think marketing and partnership leads. Any preferences on company stage or I think early stage, and amount of people, I think 10 people. So that's it. So now based on our requirements, based on our very like precise requirements, it is now going to look for these people for us. And there you go. You can see we got our relevant contacts in here. The first person works at Gamma, which was I think an AI presentations tool. Then this is the second person, which is head of marketing at this company. Then we got this guy who works at Gigit AI, and then there is this guy from I think Spain. He works at this company, which is again a YC backed company, and all of these companies are basically AI companies. So now I can just directly compose emails from here, or even I can just download all of these contacts from here. I can just export them, or in fact I can write a follow-up question as well about these contacts. You can use this table view as well. This view shows you like these fully matched and these partially matched people in here. This is honestly way more useful than manually browsing Google because it understands your intent. We can try another scenario, something like find YouTube creators. Now here is where Lessie AI feels different. Most of these kind of tools give you static list. Lessie gives you a workspace. That means I can refine my search instantly. So I can just refine it here that only companies based in London maybe, or maybe companies whose last year's revenue was maybe more than $1 million. I can mention all of these filters in here, and that way my search will be more refined and I'll be able to find exactly what sort of people I'm looking for. So instead of restarting the search again, you just keep improving the list as your thinking changes. This honestly feels more like working with an analyst than using a search tool. Now let's say I have just found someone and I want to contact them. Normally I would open Gmail, then I will just like write an email there, and then I will just like copy an email from this tool, and then I will just like compose an email there, and then I'll send them email. I will have to personalize it. I will have to then like follow up later on. So that's very time consuming. But with this AI tool, we can do all of that right here inside this workspace. So I can just click on a profile. Let's suppose I click on this profile, and here you can see it has just generated this AI summary for us, and all of this actually is based on our requirements. You can see in this match judgment section, you can see there is this role, which is role of this person, and then there is this company. You can find this sponsorship detail as well. So as an AI talent platform, Gigit AI, the company likely targets developers and tech professionals, making creator partnerships plausible. So that means it is possible that if we'll reach this person, he will agree on a sponsorship. So if I just want to write an email to this person, I can simply just click on this compose email, and then it will write a personalized email, which is personalized to this person only. This is not going to be a generic spam email that he just like receives maybe every single day. This will be like very personalized email. It can reference their company, their audience, their work, why are you reaching out, and this is huge for sponsorship deals, for recruiting, for client outreach, for partnerships, for investor intros. So discovery plus outreach happens in one place. So to start sending emails, all you have to do is just connect your email account that you want to send your emails from. So you can check your connected email accounts. Just go to email addresses, and you can click on add address in here. Then you can simply choose your email provider. In my case, I'm going to use Google, and then I will just click on get it. So I'm just logging in using my email address. I need to give permission to all of these features, and then click on continue, and that's it. My email account has been connected. So now I can just start sending emails. So let's suppose if I want to like reach out to this person, I can simply just click on this compose email. So you can see it has just opened this, and here I can just draft an email. I can use this AI compose option. I can simply just click on this, and I can ask it to write an email for outreach, or just like mention any specific requirements if you have any. So you can simply just click on generate, and now you can see it is just composing this email for you. This email looks professional. You can see it is properly formatted email. So the subject looks professional as well, and overall the main email body also looks professional. And also you can see this is the email address where we are sending this email to. There is this option which is called group send as well. You can either choose that or simply just individual send, to just send to this particular individual. If we just click on this group send, we can choose that too, but because I'm just sending it to this particular individual only, so I'm just going to choose this, and then I can add any further details, refine this email further, or simply just click on send and then send this email. So now this email will be sent from your official email address that you have just connected in here. Similarly, you can send bulk emails as well. So if you just like choose all of these contacts that you have like shortlisted, and now you can just like send a bulk email as well to all of these contacts. So you can just choose all of these contacts, then simply just click on this compose email button. You can choose any of these options. So I'll simply just choose the first one, which is unlock and email selected people. Simply just click on compose email. So what it will do, it will get all of the email addresses for all of the people, and then it will just like draft an email and then send that email. So in this case, you can see when we are drafting this email, so it has just entered this particular field, which is name, because this email is going to be sent to all of these people as personalized email. So first of all, you can see all of these email addresses for all of these people, and secondly, you can see in this email body, you can see the name field in here. So it will just replace this name field with the first name of these people. So this way the email will feel more personalized. So again, you can just like review the email body, just fine tune, and then simply just click on send, and we can send this email to all of these contacts in here. So if you compare it with the traditional workflow, you had to do the Google search, you had to do like LinkedIn filters, spreadsheets, then manual copy paste, then cold email tools. But in Lessie, you just like give one prompt, find relevant people, and it's outreach ready. And that's a huge difference because it pulls signals across multiple platforms. It can often find people that traditional tools miss, not just obvious names, but genuinely relevant people. If you're a more technical person, Lessie can also integrate into AI workflows. That means tools like OpenClaw, Claude Code, and AI agents. Basically, any similar kind of AI agents can use Lessie AI as a people search capability. So imagine building an AI sales assistant that can actually discover real prospects automatically. And that's where this gets interesting. I think Lessie is specifically useful for founders, creators, agencies, recruiters, sales teams, growth marketeers, basically anyone who needs warm opportunities faster. So if finding the right people helps you grow, then this tool is worth testing. So if you want to try Lessie AI, just click on the link in the description. And if you have any further questions about Lessie AI, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.